Hello everybody, my name is García Carrizo. I'm a researcher at University Complutense of Madrid, and my contribution to the 6th Creative Cities Conference it's about sustainable outdoor advertising in the contemporary city. Outdoor advertisement has polluting effects on the city that affect the individuals who live in it, and also it have adverse effects on their health, and a large number of messages also affects urban spaces and their architecture. In this context, it seems necessary to implement a sustainable outdoor advertising in this city, and this is the object of the study of this research. The main objective of this research is to establish a model that allows the implementation of sustainable outdoor advertisement in the urban space. To achieve these different objectives described, a bibliography review is carried out with its corresponding context analysis based on documentary research through secondary source. Firstly, sustainable outdoor advertising has been conceptualized as that one that is implemented in the city, providing social and environmental benefits for the society in which it's integrated, at the same time as it brings an economical and reputational value for its advertiser. In this way, allows its perpetuation over the time, creating shared value for all agents involved in its implementation. There are 5 characteristics of sustainable outdoor advertising, and they are related to each other by feedback and cannot be understood by themselves. Firstly, all outdoors advertising, to be sustainable, must be integrated into the environment, adapting to its needs and playing an aesthetic role in public spaces and their architecture. It is essential to install advertising through urban furniture, which is fit and integrate into the specific features of the environment. For this reason, different displays models are used in historic city centers where more traditional elements are placed than the ones used in a new area of the city, which usually is a dynamic and modern space where innovation is present through the use of new materials and risky stylistic designs. On the other hand, outdoor advertising must be adapted to the environment and interact and communicate with it, reflecting the habits and costumes of the society. It should take into account the thoughts of the inhabitants of the city where it's located, and it has to reflect their culture, traditions, ethical and religious values, political ideas, etc. In this way, outdoor advertisement can develop a cultural and symbolic function. Besides, sustainable outdoor advertising has to create shared value for the society and the advertiser. Not only must build stickers win, the entire society, the landscape and the whole environment must have a reward. In this sense, the relation has to be conceived as a win-to-win process where the advertising is at the service of the brand, the environment and the citizens, and by extension the society and the whole city where the ads are developed. Furthermore, through the investment in research and development done by some companies dedicated to the world of outdoor advertising, displays that are respectful of the environment emerge. In this way, it is possible to reduce the environmental footprint of outdoor advertising and to make it sustainable over the time. And in this sense, it's interesting to implement materials that are both ecological and have positive effects on the environment. Additionally, sustainable outdoors advertising must be conceived with a systematic approach in which the entire implementation process is taken into account, including its design, production, preparation, and distribution. A systematic approach is needed to balance these feedback loops, which are usually ignored because they have no short-term consequences, but over the time they manifest themselves. To sum up, there is clear need to create a sustainable outdoor advertising that reflects the environment, the urban landscape, and overall the whole society in which it's located. In this research, it has been conceptualized the term of sustainable outdoor advertisement through an elaborated model that details the 5 basic foundations and characteristics that all advertising communication actions in a public space must follow in order to be considered sustainable. The first one is integration and adaptation to the environment and its needs, but also it's important having into account the creation of shared value for society and advertiser, the sustainability over the time, reduction of ecological footprint, and development of a cultural and symbolic function in the different public space in which it's located. So this is the sustainable outdoor advertisement model that I propose. Thank you so much for your attention, and any question that would be welcome through my email. Thank you so much.